Good evening. Rohingya Muslims, they are considered to be the most persecuted minorities in the world. Basically, they belong to Myanmar. Because of this persecution, they fled to Bangladesh. So there is a large number of Rohingyas in Bangladesh and they have no proper facilities and entire international community is talking in terms of supporting those minorities. Since this is a big burden for Bangladesh to accommodate many people, a separate island. So all these people have been shifted to a separate island. So that is very much there in the news. What is that we are going to discuss? Apart from this, we will also be looking into a few points that are related to the 15th Finance Commission. Already last year, we already understood that the 15th Finance Commission has submitted a report and that report is valid only for 1 year, and starting from the year 2021 up to the year 2026, another report, meaning 5 years report, has been submitted by the 15th Finance Commission. Regarding that, we are going to have a discussion and kindly have a look at this. Look at the document. The first question today on the screen is that what is the rank of India? What is the rank of India in terms of silk production? What is the rank of India in terms of silk production? Please remember, India is the only country in the world which produces 4 different types of silk. So is it the third position, first, second, or fifth position? And answer is option C, that is second. India ranks at number 2 position in terms of silk production. Look at these points. India is the second largest producer. India is the second largest producer of silk after China. So tomorrow there may be a question, which of the following country is the largest producer of silk? Your answer should be China, and India is ranking at number 2 position. India is also the largest consumer of silk across the world. India is also the only country in the world that produces all 4 major varieties of silk. Important one, India is the only country that produces all the 4 major varieties of silk. They are mulberry, eri, tassar and muga. Please remember these points. So these are very, very important with respect to any competitive examination. Alright. Next we'll be going ahead. Look at this. So this is the question. This is what I am referring to, an island that is in Bangladesh. Bhasan Char island is in the news. This is located in, just now I told you, and the answer is Bangladesh. Very, very, very important. But what is this island? Let me tell you now. Look at this. Bangladesh authorities recently moved around 1750 Rohingya Muslims to a controversial island in the Bay of Bengal, and this island is called Bhasan Char Island. This move by Bangladesh was opposed by the refugees already living on the islands. So basically what happened, Bangladesh is saying that it is providing facilities to these Rohingya Muslims over there, but the people who are already living over there, so they have already started protesting. Look at this. Rohingya people, these are stateless, Indo-Aryan ethnic group, and they follow Islam. They reside in Rakhine state of Myanmar. Around 1.4 million Rohingyas lived in Myanmar until a displacement crisis of 2017, when 7,40,000 have fled to Bangladesh. Please recollect the points, recollect the map, right? Where is Bangladesh located? Where is Myanmar located? Kindly so recollect the map. They are also called the most persecuted minorities in the world, and they denied the citizenship under 1982 Myanmar nationality law. They don't have freedom of movement, state education, and civil services jobs in Myanmar. Please remember, this is the most persecuted minority group in the world. Next, let's go ahead and discuss more points. Look at here. So this point we already know, right? Many times we have discussed during our, the various discussions. The chairman of the 15th Finance Commission of India is N.K. Singh, right? You're already aware of this. Look at this. And as far as the 15th Finance Commission is concerned, it has submitted its final report for 5 years duration. The report has been submitted with the objective of transforming the financial governance of India's municipalities. The final report for the year 2021 and 22 up to 2025-26, meaning starting from 2021 up to 2026. It was tabled along with the budget of 2021 and 22. And kindly remember, regarding the 15th Finance Commission, the final report, meaning the 5-year report, these points we'll be discussing, this in a separate session.